Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today's tutorial. We are going to learn a super easy way to put a video inside your text. Yep, moving videos inside letters. It's eye-catching and fun. Perfect for intros, thumbnails, or social posts. Let's get started. Log into Canva using your Gmail account. First, open a new page and add our video. Now head over to the Elements tab and search for a video, or you can upload your own. We will use this video from Canva's video library. Right-click and set video as background. Add in another new page. Go to Elements, grab a square, and drag the sides to turn it into a rectangle that fits your layout. Next, click on the text tool from the left and add a heading. Type in LOVE. To make this effect pop, choose a thick, bold font. We recommend this font, League Spartan. Now stretch the text so it fully covers the rectangle. We want the letters to fill the shape nicely for a bold, clean effect. Download the file as a PNG. Delete this page. Next, upload the PNG that we had just downloaded. Paste the image onto your video page. Click on BG Remover to remove the background. Now watch what happens when we remove the background of the font. It instantly reveals the video playing through the text. So cool, right? Now stretch the font so it covers the entire video. This makes sure the video fills every letter for the full effect. Select the font file again, then click on the transparency icon and set it to 82. This creates a nice blend where the video still pops through the text. Lastly, download this as an MP4 video file. To give you some inspiration, we've prepared a few examples of this video inside text effect using different words and styles. Check them out. And that's it. Now you know how to put a video inside text in Canva. A simple trick that looks super impressive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and drop a comment if you tried this effect. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.